This is just an additional exercise. I wanted to do it separately because it's kind of very unique. So a lot of us from the very beginning, we have position crossover or New Yorker. So in this regard, we are in a split weight, which is very, very important, right? What I want you to try is when you coming to that position. So this is kind of an exercise. You're going to be sidewards. For the ladies, you're going to be opposite side, right? So you are sidewards. Right now, what you're going to do is you're going to turn first through the neutral position, and then you're going to make a step forward. But make sure that you're not on a tightrope, that you're slightly crossing, and the feet position is 90 degrees. So when I'm going here, I'm going to cross over into that 90 degrees position in my feet. So try that. Now when you're here, try to feel placing your heel down. Try to lift it up. Try to lift it down, lift it up. See how much your body moves. And you cannot pinpoint, right? You cannot make a point in your feet, because when we do that, it defeats the purpose. That becomes a walk. So when I'm here, so my heel, we call it very aggressive heel, goes up. So I'm right here. Try that a couple of times. So what are you going to do? You're staying sidewards, you're going through the neutral, then you're going forward. So there's a good exercise to try. Now you're coming back, and again, so make sure you're crossing enough so you have, like I said previously, both sides are engaged.